Hello, I am Allison Shok, and this is my husband, Richard Shok, and we are the owners of Code One Training Solutions, based out of here in Roanoke, Virginia.
Code One is an American Heart Association training center. We've taken the opportunity to use technology to allow our learners to complete a portion of their CPR training online and then come to one of our 53 locations across the United States to complete their skills testing and earn their certifications. We now offer this program for BLS, ACLS, and PALS, which are advanced level courses, as well as basic courses for non-healthcare providers to learn CPR and first aid.
We work hard to offer high quality and convenient CPR training for over 1,600 students a month at all of our locations across the U.S.
We're really excited to be part of the ramp because we're looking for the mentorship and to learn marketing, be able to really expand and grow our business and potentially expand to other regions across the country to offer this really vital service.
We are honored to be a part of RAMP. It is an incredible program. It's partnering us with experts in fields similar to ours and outside of ours, and really giving us an opportunity to grow and expand in ways that we never thought possible.